Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you may have multiple lists containing strings, and you want to combine these strings into a single string. This tutorial will show you how to concatenate strings from multiple lists to create a single string, using different methods and code examples. In this example, we use a for loop to iterate through each list, joining the elements within each list with spaces, and adding the result to the result string. List comprehensions offer a concise way to concatenate the lists of strings. We use a nested list comprehension to join the elements in each list and then join these results with spaces to create the final string. This method uses the join method to combine the strings from multiple lists. By concatenating the lists and then joining them with spaces, you can achieve the desired string. This method uses the reduce function from the functools module to iteratively concatenate the strings from the lists. These methods allow you to easily combine strings from multiple lists into a single string, giving you the flexibility to format and organize the concatenated string as needed in your Python programs. ChatGPT